Hello everyone, I'm Roman, the product owner of hsbDesign for AutoCAD. Today I would like to show you one of our latest features, the 3D stacking and truck loading functionality. This tool is divided into three sections: the StackItem, which is creating cloned bodies from the model, the nesting or an external reference, plus it's also used for pre-filtering and sorting, the StackPack, which is used to create packs of the individual items, and the StackEntity, which allows to load stack items or stack packs onto a predefined truck. After calling the StackItem command, you can decide which painter filter you would like to use and how the object should be sorted. It's also possible to define if the items should be aligned horizontally or vertically. Select the objects that should be stacked from the drawing, and the tool will create clones which are already pre-sorted. It's even possible to represent some objects information on the stack items, like, for example, the position number or the erection sequence. Like that, the designer is always aware of what objects he is working with. The stack items can then already be pre-stacked on top of each other. They can be moved, they can be rotated, or they can be flipped. The next entity that can be added is the StackPack. The pack can be placed in the model and the items can be added with the context menu. It's also possible to add the stack items by dragging and dropping them into the pack. So you can pick each point of the stack item and drag and drop it into the pack or on top of each other. As you can see with the coloring, the color is based on the layer, but it can also be set to be based on the position number of the pack or the stack item. If there are a lot smaller objects to be stacked, it's even possible to run a nesting on them. In this example, the items are getting rotated and then getting nested into the pack. The area of the pack acts as a bounding box. The StackEntity is the next step of the truck loading. This tool adds predefined trucks into the drawing. The workflow after adding the StackEntity is the same as with the packs. You can either drag and drop the stack packs onto the truck, or you can do the same with the stack items if there are no packs needed. The informations about the pack and the truck are always written back into the 3D model. In this example, the position number 10 is on truck number 2. I only need to update the informations in the model to verify this. This will help to create material lists with the correct loading informations already assigned. The last step in the process is to adding shop drawings of the pack or the stack. So you can simply set up a template to either consider the packs or the stack entity, selecting the pack or the entity and place the shop drawing in your drawing. If you would like to know more about this feature or about hsbDesign, please contact us. You can find all required information on hsbcad.com. Happy designing and goodbye.